So believe it or not, I never really had a dedicated webcam before. So when the guys over at BenQ asked me if I would be interested in testing out their new ideaCam S1 Pro webcam, I was a little intrigued to say the least. And if you're looking at this webcam and are wondering if this is the right call to take or not, what are the features that it has, etc., well, you're at the right place. So make sure you kick back and relax and watch this video. With that said, guys, my name is Anubhav. Welcome back to a brand new review. If you enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that said, let's get started. Now, before I talk about the features that this webcam has and what has my experience been with it, let's take a moment to look at the unboxing experience. Now, see, being a premium webcam in the premium segment, the unboxing was also premium in itself. The box is really nice and it contains a lot of cool things. Of course, starting things up, you have the webcam itself, which has a nice braided cable attached to it. Then you have the counterweight, which feels premium and has some weight to it so that it can hold the webcam on top of your monitor properly. Next up, you get a 15x magnifying macro lens attachment which attaches magnetically to the webcam, and I'll talk about that later because that also lets you do some really cool stuff. And of course, last but not the least, my favorite addition, which is the control puck that has a lot of functions and it works wirelessly with the webcam itself. A couple of cool features of the ideaCam S1 Pro include a near 4K resolution at 3264 by 2448 pixels at 30 fps, and of course, along with that, you get an automatic mode switcher that switches to the workspace top-down mode as soon as you turn the camera while it is mounted on your monitor to showcase something like the contents of your desk. Of course, this good picture quality and video quality comes because of the 8 megapixel Sony CMOS sensor that BenQ is using for this webcam that definitely gives you much better image quality compared to other webcams in this range. And by the way, you also get a magnetic privacy shade that you can put on the camera whenever you're not using it, so that is also a very intuitive addition. Let's talk about the camera itself, which has three different modes that you can switch from. The first one is the regular webcam mode, which you can use for video conferences and meetings. The second is the top-down workspace mode, which is very easy to get into. Simply turn the camera downwards and you get a view of your desk, which you can use to showcase different kinds of things and items. The third and the coolest one has to be the handheld mode, where you can simply lift off the camera from the monitor mount and then you can use it to showcase anything to anybody that you're on a call with. I can see this being an excellent tool for designers, for teachers, and for content creators who want to showcase products or documents or their designs over calls with their clients or students. The camera also has two buttons on top of it. One is a freeze frame option that you can use to freeze the current frame, and the second one is a really cool light option which turns on the light which is in the camera housing itself for low light scenarios. The 15x magnification lens also attaches right here magnetically onto the camera body, and you can use that to showcase some minute details on particular products or designs, and I was really impressed to see it in action. It is really good. The star of the show, however, in my opinion, has to be the control puck. It sits flush on your desk and has rubberized feet at the bottom to make sure it does not slide along the surface of your desk, and it comes with a ring on it that you can use to zoom in and out of your camera feed, along with a bunch of other functions that control different features of the webcam itself. Now, do note that you will need to use the BenQ Inspire web page or their app for Windows and Mac to take full advantage of the control puck as well as the camera and its additional features, and using it is super simple, and also it is compatible with video conferencing apps like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom, so it's not a hassle at all. The puck has multiple features like a picture snapshot button, a control switcher between autofocus and manual focus, a freeze frame options, a focusing button, and a mute option to mute your current audio source. The Inspire web app or the web page also has additional multiple features like picture-in-picture mode or split screen mode that you and I can use to showcase different things in a single call. One could be a document, one could be the workspace mode, and the other could be your camera feed from the webcam, and I truly think that the possibilities are endless, and these are very good software features to have in a webcam as powerful as this. Now, I have been using and testing out this webcam for over a month, and I think that for the premium features that it offers you that a normal webcam does not, along with the overall quality of the product. If you think that this is something that you can use, especially the top-down features and the picture-in-picture software features, if you're a teacher, a content creator, or a designer, I think it's totally worth it for the 18 to 19,000 rupees price point that this webcam is available in India for. Well, what can I say? The links to purchase this product will be in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Let me know how you like this webcam, and if you're using it, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments as well. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. I genuinely hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys like the new setup. I'm still working on it, adding a couple of things here and there, but if you've stayed till now, you're a real G, and I'll be back with another long YouTube video soon. Until then, take care, stay safe. This is Anubhav signing out. Peace out, and bye-bye.